Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to crochet this easy, beautiful crochet headband. Let's get started! Materials: yarn, hair tie, scissors, crochet hook, and sewing needle. Start by pulling the yarn through the hair tie and chaining one. As you can see here, I'm pulling the crochet hook through the yarn. Now crochet 10 single crochets around the hair tie, but don't fully end the stitch. As you can see here, I'm inserting the hook, pulling through the yarn, and now I'm yarn overing and pulling through one. That is the pattern you're going to repeat 10 times. Now we're gonna yarn over, pull through 2 stitches each time. This may take a little while. As you can see here, I'm yarn overing and pulling through 2 stitches each time. Crochet 10 single crochets in the stitches. As you can see here, I'm inserting my hook to the next stitch, and I'm yarning over and pulling through 2. I'm going to repeat that for 10 times because that's how many stitches I began with. And I would recommend 10 stitches for you to start with too. Almost done! Here I'm on my second last stitch. And now here's my last stitch. This completes all 10 of my stitches. Chain 1 and flip your work. Insert your hook into the back loop and do a single crochet. And we're gonna do this for the entire round. As you can see here, I'm inserting my hook through the back loop. And now I'm yarn overing, pulling through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat. Here I'm on my last stitch. Now chain 1 and flip. Crochet a single crochet in both loops. As you can see here, I'm inserting my hook through the next stitch, yarn overing, pulling through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to repeat this through all 10 times. Crochet a single crochet in both loops. Make sure while you're crocheting, you, at the end of each round, count all your stitches just to make sure they're exactly 10. Nothing over, nothing under. Here's our second last stitch. And now our last one. And now we're gonna chain 1 and flip. Repeat 1 row single crochet in both loops and 1 row single crochet in back loops. This round we're doing them in back loops. Remember, insert through the back loop, then yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2. We're gonna repeat this for all 10 stitches. Repeat these rounds until you reach your desired length. Here, I'm almost done my desired length headband, but it's all up to you on when you want to end your headband. After getting to your desired length, I'll show you how to connect. To connect, insert your hook into the previous stitch from your hook and crochet a single crochet. Like here I'm inserting my hook through the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, right over the hair tie. Just like this, I'm going to repeat this in total of 10 times. Here I'm going into my last stitch. Make sure you don't miss that last hidden stitch. Leave a long bit of yarn to weave in and cut. From where I ended the round, I'm going to insert my sewing needle and I'm going to weave in the ends. You could weave in the ends the way I'm doing it, or you could do it yourself. All up to you. After sewing in the ends, we're going to cut the excess. And we're going to cut off the extra yarn from the other side. All done. Here is the final result of our headband. I really hope you guys enjoyed the design I did here. I really hope you guys enjoyed crocheting your headband, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. For more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss my new uploads. Bye!